This lesson is from the 6th grade Houghton Mifflin English book, and it is on simple subjects and predicates. It coordinates with pages 38 to 40 in the student textbook. A simple subject is the main word or words in the complete subject. A simple predicate is the main word or words in the complete predicate. A simple predicate is made up of at least one verb. My fun note is to find the simple subject, separate your sentence into complete subject and complete predicate. We did that in last lesson. So you separate it by drawing the line in front of the verb. Look at the complete subject. What is the noun or the pronoun we are talking about? To find the simple predicate, separate the complete subject and the complete predicate. Look at the complete predicate. What is the action? Do you have any helpers? So we're going to go through some of these, but let's look at the example. Miss Grun walked down the street and around the corner. The line goes in front of walked because walked is the verb. So out of Miss Grun, of my only word, my simple subject has to be Miss Grun. That's the only word on this side of the sentence. Walked down the street and around the corner, what's my action? Walked. And since there's no words between the line and walked is my only predicate. So let's try some of these. Okay, let me grab a marker. All right, Marty Shaw heard the bulldozer. Heard is my verb, so I'm going to draw the line in front of heard. Out of Marty and Shaw, that's all one person, so that is my simple subject. Heard the bulldozer, my action word is heard, so heard is my simple predicate. The bulldozer moves slowly. My action word is moved. Out of the and bulldozer, bulldozer is my simple subject. Moved and slowly, moved is my action, so that is my simple predicate. Its big scoop had been pushing piles of sand. Had been pushing is my verb, so out of its big and scoop, scoop is what we're talking about, so that is my simple subject. Had been pushing piles of sand. Pushing is the verb, and it has had and been with it, so had been pushing is my complete predicate. Sorry, my simple predicate. Excuse me. Marty's eyes sparkled with delight. We draw the line in front of sparkled. Out of Marty's and eyes, we're talking about eyes, so that is my simple subject. Sparkled with delight. Sparkled is my action, so that is my simple predicate. Piles of sand disappeared. Disappeared is my verb, so I draw the line there. Piles of sand. We're talking about piles, and disappeared is my verb, so that is my simple predicate. Now, a little fact, if you see a preposition like of, in, at, on, the word after it cannot be your subject, so it has to be the other noun in the sentence. Let's try some more. The dark sand looked moist. Looked is the verb, I draw the line in front of it. So out of the, dark, and sand, sand is going to be my simple subject. Looked is my action. The pool of water was evaporating in the sun, was evaporating as my verb. Out of pool and water, my two nouns, it cannot be water because of is a preposition, so it has to be pool. My action is evaporating, and it has a helper was, so was evaporating is my simple predicate. This one child was studying the construction crew, was studying as my verb, I draw my line there. Out of this one and child, we're talking about child. And studying is my action, it has the helper was, so was studying is my simple predicate. Marty noticed everything on the site. We're going to draw the line in front of noticed. Marty is the only word on this side, so that's my simple subject. Noticed is my action, so that's my simple predicate. He could hear the bulldozer's horn. He is my simple subject. Here is my action. It has a helper of could, so is my simple predicate is could hear. The small boy's dream appeared before his eyes. We're going to draw the line in front of appeared. Out of the small boy's dream, we're talking about dream, so that is my simple subject. Appeared is the action. That's my simple predicate. The driver of the huge bulldozer waved to Marty. We're going to draw the line in front of waved. Out of the driver of the huge bulldozer, driver is my simple subject. If you remember, of is a preposition, so bulldozer could not be the subject. And then waved to Marty, waved is my action, so that is my simple predicate. Okay.